In this video, I will be showing you how to access Copilot from the Microsoft Edge address bar. Let's get started. First, I start from my Windows desktop. I go down to the taskbar and click on the search bar. I type in Edge to find the browser. Once Microsoft Edge appears in the best match results, I click on it to open up the browser application. Now that Edge is open, I look over to the top right corner of the window. In the toolbar, there is a dedicated Copilot icon labeled Chat. I click right on that chat button to trigger the feature. As you can see, this opens up the Copilot sidebar on the right side of the screen while keeping my main browser window active on the left. The panel greets me and opens up a text box at the bottom that says, Message Copilot or mention a tab. I click inside this message box so I can type out a prompt. For this tutorial, I am going to type in a question. I type, explain how GPS navigation works on smartphones in simple terms. After finishing the prompt, I click on the send button, which is the paper airplane icon on the far right of the text box, or I can just press enter on my keyboard. Copilot instantly goes to work and begins generating a detailed response right inside the sidebar. It breaks the explanation down beautifully into simple, easy to understand steps. It starts by explaining how satellites in space constantly send out signals with their location and exact time. Then, it explains how your phone listens to these signals using a built-in GPS chip, comparing signals from at least 4 satellites to figure out exactly where you are on Earth. As I scroll down the side panel, it continues with the third step, which is triangulation math. This is where the phone measures how long it took each signal to arrive to pinpoint your exact position. Next, it covers maps and software, explaining how your location is laid out onto digital maps like Google Maps or Waze. Finally, it explains how directions are calculated to give you turn-by-turn instructions. It even wraps up with a quick summary and asks a follow-up question about why GPS struggles indoors or in tunnels. Accessing Copilot right from the Edge browser toolbar is that simple and convenient. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.